This is your ciearra show. This is our funny noises. Hold on. Wait for it. Wait, let me set up the camera. Hold on. Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
Meow.
Get off the cord.
She purrs.
And she's on the cord still. Show as shit as she was.
Sassafras. Sassafras.
It's a fire truck. I said fire truck.
Fire truck.
Fire fuck. I mean truck. Ignore that. What if you're like, get the fuck out of my way?
Alright, well, I think we gotta go now. 'Cause it's morning. It's precisely 1:54 in the morning.
We have to stay up till 3.
We have to stay up till 3 to wake up my grandpa.
Cause he has to drive to work.
We'll show you whenever we wake him up. It'll be on YouTube.
He'll be like, what?
Look. Oh my god! Oh! Did you hear that? It like I can't even do it. She's like
It was like a hydraulic boost of it. It was I can't even do it again.
Oh, you just had to be there. It was funny.
We were there.
We were there.
We were the only ones there.
We was there.
It was like
Oh, you want to hear my screeching call? Alright. Anyways.
you guys. I heard a joke.
I'm getting a little slap
It was
happy.
an Irish joke.
I'm getting really slap happy right now.
I just about peed my pants.
Oh, what if you peed in this cup?
You wouldn't know because it's yellow on the bottom anyway.
This is a hairbrush. Now we're gonna watch me brush my hair. 1, 2.
Do it.
Alright, hold on.
Our next.
I can't do it.
You know, I wish you could make that clearer.